Good morning, students. Welcome to our English grammar class. Today we will learn the very easy topic of the English grammar. Degree of a adjective. Degree of a adjective. Degree. What is degree? Degree is used for the comparison. And how many types of the degree? There are the three types of the degree. First is positive degree, second is comparative degree, and third is a superlative degree. What is positive degree? In the positive degree, we don't use comparison to anyone because degree is used for the comparison, and in the positive degree, we don't use comparison to anyone. And comparative degree, in the comparative degree, use comparison to other person and the things, that is comparative degree. And in the superlative degree, we use comparison to all from one, that is a superlative degree. Superlative degree are used to describe an object which is upper and lower limit of the quality, that is a superlative degree, where we talk about the upper from a upper and the lower limit of the quality, that is a superlative degree. Now we talk about degree of adjective tall. And from a taller, we take the sentences of the positive degree, comparative, and the superlative degree. First example of the degree of adjective: Rohan is tall boy. Rohan is a tall boy. We talked the positive degree. In the positive degree, we don't use the comparison to anyone. And our first example is Rohan is tall boy. In this sentence, here is no use of comparison to anyone. That is positive degree. And in the second example, Rohan is the taller boy. Rohan is taller than Anshul. Here comparison to the Anshul, that is a comparative degree, because we talked in the comparative degree, we use comparison to the other person and the things, that is comparative degree. Rohan's comparison from the Anshul, that is a comparative degree. Rohan is the tallest boy in the class. Rohan is tallest boy in the class. Here here is in the class, we are talking about Rohan, but in the class, Rohan is the tallest boy in the class, that is a superlative degree, because we talked upper and the lower limit of the quality, that is the superlative degree, and tallest is the upper quality of the degree, superlative degree, that is a superlative degree. Now we talk some positive degree, comparative, and the superlative degree. First degree of our bold. In the comparative degree, some words where we use the in the end of the comparative degree er and est. And est. Our positive degree is bald. Second comparative degree is the bolder. We use the same word and fill in the end of the er, and in the superlative degree est. Clear? Our next degree of adjective sweet. And the comparative degree, we use the same spell of the positive degree, and in the use and in the end of the use er and est, that is a sweet superlative degree. Next is strong, stronger, and the strongest, that is superlative degree. Now take some words. Able, where in the some words in the end e. In the comparative degree, we use only r and st. Use only r and est. Don't use er, because e is already here. And the comparative degree, only use r and st. R and st. Able, abler, and ablest. Pronunciation will be able, abler, and ablest. Fine, finest, finest. Fine, finer, and finest. Next, where in the some words, in the last y, use y in the comparative degree, y will be cut and in the place of the y we will use I. We will use I, and in the end er same est, iest, happy, happier and happiest. That is our positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now we talk some words where in the comparative degree and the superlative degree we don't use er, est and ier and iest, because some words is different in the comparative degree and the superlative degree. First word is our active. In the comparative degree we don't use the er and est, we use only more and most, and the positive degree will be active, comparative degree more active, and the superlative degree most active. Clear? Beautiful, we don't use the beautifulier, beautifuliest, we use more beautiful and most beautiful. You will learn has same types of the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree where we use more and the most. Here are next difficult, more difficult and the most difficult. Clear? And our next word is bad. In bad is our positive degree, and comparative degree used a different word, use a different word in the comparative degree. Bad in the comparative degree will be worse, and superlative degree will be worst, worst. Clear? And second positive degree is good, and comparative degree will become better. Don't use more and most. Best, superlative degree will become best. Many, more, most. Here is y, but we don't cut y, because here are the some words where we use in the comparative degree more, most. That is our comparative degree and superlative degree. So students, please learn again these types of the rules and comparative degree and superlative degree. Thank you.